What is the average lifespan of a 100-gallon propane tank?
Hello, propane tank enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a subject that often comes up when discussing propane tanks, specifically, the 100-gallon variety. What is the average lifespan of these crucial components in our daily energy needs?
Understanding propane tanks.
Before we delve into lifespan, it's important to understand a few basic aspects about propane tanks. They are built to be sturdy, durable, and to safely store propane gas under pressure. Propane tanks come in a variety of sizes, including the commonly used 100-gallon tank. The material used for these tanks is usually high-grade steel or aluminum, and they are designed to withstand the elements.
Factors influencing the lifespan of a propane tank.
Now, let's talk about what affects the lifespan of a propane tank. Various factors play a role here, such as the quality of the tank construction, the level of maintenance provided, and the conditions under which the tank is stored. Propane tanks exposed to harsh weather conditions or corrosive environments may have a shorter lifespan.
The average lifespan of a 100-gallon propane tank.
So, to the main question, what is the average lifespan of a 100-gallon propane tank? On average, a well-maintained 100-gallon propane tank can last anywhere between 30 to 40 years. Remember, this is an average, so some tanks may last longer while others may need to be replaced sooner.
How to extend the lifespan of your propane tank.
A few important tips can help you extend the lifespan of your propane tank. 1. Regular inspections. Have your tank inspected by a professional on a regular basis to spot any potential issues early. 2. Proper installation. Make sure your tank is installed properly and securely to minimize any risks. 3. Preventative maintenance. Regular maintenance, including painting to prevent rust and corrosion, can help extend the tank's lifespan. In conclusion, while a 100-gallon propane tank has an average lifespan of 30 to 40 years, this can be influenced by a variety of factors. By following recommended maintenance practices, you can maximize the lifespan of your tank. I hope this video has been insightful and assists you in understanding and caring for your propane tanks better. Stay safe and efficient with your propane usage.